Welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through statistics part 9, which is group group data. I'm working on statistics part 9, which is on group data. Now, I'll be working on mean, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of what? Of variance. Now, by the end of this video, you should understand all this. And if you cannot understand, drop your comment, will surely be attended to. Now, let me start. Before we start, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Tell people about this channel and you can learn mathematics, physics, chemistry on it. And any topic that has parts, make sure you start from part 1. Share and subscribe is very, very important to us. Help us to share and also subscribe. Now, I want to achieve those things. The first one is what? Mean and what? Median. Before I start, before I give example, I will move on by I'm stating the formula first. Now, the first one is mean. Now, if I should achieve my mean, okay, my mean is always equals to what? Mean. This is a mean. That is a symbol for mean. It means summation of f or s all over what is summation of f. That is very, very important. Now, the next one is what? Variance. My variance, it always equals to what? Summation of f bracket of what? S minus s bar squared. So divided by what? Summation of what? F. That is for my variance. The next one is standard deviation. My SD is equals to what? Root of what? Variance. Which is what? If I have what? It means my standard deviation, it will be what? Square root of whatever we get here. Summation of what? S minus divided by what? Summation of f. That is my standard deviation. And the next one is coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variation. Now, my coefficient of variation, it will be equals to my SD, standard deviation, divided by what? Mean, times multiplied by 100%. That is how. Now, with help of this, we can achieve anything we want to achieve. Now, I think we can divide this. Our mean is what? Definition. Let me just work on definition. Definition. Now, this is what? S, which is my call it my x. This one is mean. Explain that one. What again is there? That is all. These are summation. This is frequency. This is my s. There's nothing that is. This is summation. It means you have to sum it up. This is a frequency. This is frequency. This is what? Our s. It means our mark. Now, let me give example to illustrate this point. Now, I have a particular frequency. I want to find that on particular frequency. Now, I have a particular table this way. If I have my mark, I have my class limit. I have my frequency. I want to achieve, I need to achieve everything I stated earlier. My mean, my variance, my standard deviation, and coefficient of variation. Now, it means I have 2 to 5, 6 to 9, 10 to 13, 14 to 17, 18 to 21. Now my frequency are, I have 7, I have 15, I have 22, I have 14, I have 22, I have 2, which everything is equals to what? 60. Sum it up, because what? Summation of to be 60. This plus this plus this plus is going to be 60. Now, since I have it, I can look for my what? My x. My x, it means I will add up these 2 divided by 2, which is going to be what? This plus this is going to be 7 divided by 2, 3.5, which is I will be having 7.5. Once I have the first one and they are of equal width, it means just be, you can walk around, add up, just be adding up 3, 3, 3, 3. When you add up 3, yeah, I think this one will be what? This one will be 11.5. This also be what? 15.5. And this one also be what? 19.5. That is my S. Now, the next thing we need to get now, we need to get our mean. My mean is equals to, so we are finding mean. Sorry, I can't state it out. Sorry, I'm sorry for that. I'm looking for mean. My mean is, I need my f of x. It means my f of x, this times this. It will be what? This times this. It will be 20, 24. 24 point what? 0.5. This times this. It will be 112.5. This times this 11 11 to be double, it will be 11 11 11 11, which is going to be it will be 253, yes, 253. Now this times this, it will be 14 times 15.5. It will be okay, it will be 2 4 214 217 217, and also this times this, it will be what? 39. Now, very very important, I will now add it up, summation of what? F of x, which is I will add up everything that is here. Okay, I need calculator at this point. Okay, if I should add up, I can now add up all everything, which is summing of 24 plus those. Okay, with help of my calculator here, I'll achieve 640 646. Now, my mean cannot be summation of what? F of x all over what? Summation of what? Of f, which is equals to what? My mean is equals to 646 all over what? Which is equals to, if I should divide them together, and I divide calculator, it means 646 divided by 60, which is I'll be having my, which is my mean, to be equals to 10 point what? Point 8. 10.8. Now successfully I have my my mean equals to what? 10.8. Now to achieve my variance, I have to move on to variation. Variance. How do I achieve my variance? The first one will be x minus what? X bar. X minus what? X bar. It means I'll be having 10 minus what? Minus this absolute value. It means the first one will be what? Calculator will now be of help. I have 10.8 minus my x is 3.5, which is going to be what? I'll be having 7.3. I'll do the same thing. 7 point absolute value means you neglect the minus. 7.5 minus 10.8, which is I'll be having 3.3. And also, Okay, now I have this. If I should do the same thing here, I'll be having 0.7. Now I'll be having once again I'll be having uh 4.7. I'll be having 8.7. That's the first thing you do. Now the second one we have what? Uh, our x minus x all what squared. Now it means we square the what we are having here on each class. Now if I should square, this one will be what? 53 point what? 0.29. This also will be 10 point what? 10.89. And also I'll be having 0.3, I'll be 0.49. If I should have it will be 22.09. Now if I should square this also, it will be 75.69. Now what I need for my is what? F of what? S minus what? S bar squared. It means what I have here, I will multiply it by what? Each of them by what? Frequency. This particular number times 7, it will give me 50 it will give me 373.03. That is going to give me 373.03. Why this also times this? It will give me 15 times what? It will give me 163.35. This times this, it will give me 10.75. Now this times this, it will give me 309.26. Now this times this, it will give me it means 75 times 2, it will give me 151.38. Now I will now say the summation of what? F bracket of x minus x bar all equal. Now I will now sum up everything that I'm having here. Sum it up. I'll be having 1007.77. Now that is what I have. Now it means my variance is a summation of fx minus x bar all squared divided by one summation of f, which implies I will now have 1007.77 divided by my summation of f is 60. Now it means the number divided by what? 60, which I will be having. My variance will be what? It will be 16 point. Now my variance, it will be 16.7, okay, 0.8, 16.8 in terms of approximation. Now since I have this, now I've achieved my what? My variance. This is my variance. My standard deviation, which is called SD, is the what? Root of what? My variance, which is 0.8. What am I going to have? It means I'll be having square root of what? Which is going to be 4 points. It means my standard deviation, it will be what? 4 point what? 4.1 in terms of approximation. Now my standard deviation is 4.1. I will now move on to coefficient of variance. My coefficient of variance, this is standard deviation, this is variance. Now my coefficient of variance It means my coefficient of variation, it will be equals to my coefficient of variation, it will be equals to my mean all over standard deviation times what? Times 100. That my mean all over what? Standard deviation times what? 100. My mean is 10.8. My mean, all of yes. I made mistake. It will be equals to my standard deviation divided by what? Mean times 100%. Now, it means my mean is 100, is 10.8. Standard deviation is 4. It means my 4.1 divided by 10.8 times 100, which I'll be having 410. I'll be having 410, which I'll be having 410. Sorry, I'll be having 4. This times this, it will be 410. Having 410 divided by what? 10.8. Whatever I have, which is I'll be having 410 divided by 410 divided by 10.8. It will be 37.8. 37 point 37 point, which is 30.7.6996. I can approximate this to what? If I show it to be approximately equals to 38.0. That is my what? My final answer. That is all about that on what? On variation, standard deviation. Okay, that's all about that. This is Further Solutions Academy. This is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Make sure you do these two for us. Any topic that has parts, make sure you start from part 1 and you are moving towards. As far as you are moving on the trend, you will surely get it. Thanks for watching.